Good morning, summer school crew, and welcome back. I hope you had a great Memorial Day weekend. You guys are off to an amazing start, and really, I can't believe it. We only have 2 weeks left together. So let's keep it up. So this week, we're talking all about main idea. So this morning, you should have read your Raz Kids story. And while you read your Raz Kids story, we are always thinking, what is this story mostly about? So when we think about main idea, we think about an ice cream cone. Delicious. We all love ice cream cones. And when we think about an ice cream cone, the ice cream will melt and fall to the ground if we don't have the cone. That's just like a book. In a book, the book will fall apart if we don't have a main idea. If the book isn't about something, we're confused. We don't know what we're reading about. So, just like the cone, every story has a main idea. Every ice cream cone has a cone. And on top of that cone, we like to have a lot of different ice cream scoops. We always want a double scoop or a triple scoop. And maybe those scoops can be our favorite flavors. The same goes for a story. Inside the story, we want to know as many details as possible so that we can see what's going on, that we can understand why our character feels the way or what's going to happen to our character. So, in your story this morning, you maybe read summer picnics. The main idea in summer picnics was all different things we can bring to a summer picnic. And they included lots of details to help us know that. Or maybe you read A Week with Grandpa. The main idea of this story is all the different things we can do if we go and spend a week with our grandpa or on a vacation. Or maybe you read On Vacation. This main idea is all the different things we can do if we go on vacation with our grandma. So in these stories, they have the main idea, the cone, and then they give you lots of details to help you understand. So we're going to try that today. Miss Gates is going to give you the details, and you're going to come up with what's the main idea. So it's going to be a mystery. We call these main idea mystery bags. So I have sent you a document that looks like this. In these, pretend that these cards are in a bag. We're not in school, so we have to do it a little bit differently. I have taken a bag and put in 4 cards. I've put the ice cream scoops. Now you have to come up with the cone. What is the main idea? So let's do the first one together. I'm going to skip over all those. So the first one, I see 4 details. I see a little boy eating popcorn. I see a drink. I see a movie, the reel, and I see some movie tickets. What do you think the main idea is if I include all of these details in my story, in my main idea mystery bag? If you say going to the movies, you are correct because we need all these things if we're writing a story or actually going to the movies. Those are our details. Our main idea is going to the movies. So on your paper, I want you to number it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Keep going based on the number that I have assigned to you. And then you're going to go through these main idea bags and write down the main idea for Miss Gates. So let's look at main idea bag number 2. Ooh, I see a beach towel. I see some goggles. I see sunscreen and I see a floaty. What do you think the main idea of this bag is if I've included all of these details? If you say going to the pool or going to the beach, you are correct because I need all of these things to make sure that I can go to the beach. Great job. When you finish going through your main idea bags today, you're going to have a chance to make your own main idea bag. Grab any bag. It does not have to be a brown bag. It can be a grocery bag. It can be a purse. It can be a box, whatever you have around your house, and put your own details in the bag and write. And then you're going to make your own video with your bag. You're going to pull out the details and explain it to Miss Gates. So here we have movie details again. They put them in their bag. Here, someone looked like they were baking brownies, so they included all the details. And if you can't find the actual items, feel free to draw. That is okay too. I can't wait to see your hard work.